This easy trick lets you guess your audience's card right every time. Use a normal deck and put down 16 cards in 4 rows of 4 cards each. Tell your audience to pick a card, but not to tell you which card they choose. Once they have a card in mind, ask them to tell you what column it's in. Then, pick up the cards one column at a time, taking the column where their card is either first or last, so you know where it is. Here, I picked it up last, and keep it on the bottom of the cards in my hand. Lay down the cards in 4 rows of 4 again, making sure to put them down 1 row at a time. If you do, the cards from the column they showed will all be in the same row. Since I picked up that column last and kept it at the bottom, I know those cards will all be in the last row, which means I know their card is in the last row. So ask them again what column their card is in. Since you know their card is in the last row, once they tell you the column, you'll know which card is theirs. Here, it's the 5 of hearts. Now you know their card, but to keep them from guessing your trick, keep it going. Pick up the cards and remember where you put their card. It's easiest to keep it at the top or bottom of your pile. Lay the cards out in sets of 4 and remember where you put their card. Since I kept it at the bottom of the cards in my hand, I know it will be the last card I lay down on the table. This next part is all for show. You're just going to have the audience eliminate cards a little bit at a time until the last card on the table is theirs. It will seem like magic to them, but the trick is to just remember where their card is and keep it on the table. Start by asking them to pick any 2 sets. If they pick a set that has their card, leave those sets on the table and take away the other 2. Just act like that was what you meant to do. On the other hand, if they pick sets that don't have the card, act like you meant to take away whatever they chose and take those sets away. You'll keep eliminating cards like this until you get to the last one. Just remember, no matter what they choose, keep their card on the table, but act like you are taking away the cards based on what they choose, even if you're not. So, ask them to pick one of these 2 sets and then take away whichever set does not have their card. Again, have them choose 2 cards and take away whichever pair does not have their card. Finally, you're going to have them pick a card. If they choose their card, flip it over for the big reveal. If they choose the other card, put that one to the side, then flip over their card for the big reveal. Once you get the hang of it, this trick is super easy and always impressive.